I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the AVV brand. Their 20,000 milliamp hour internal battery power bank function, totally rechargeable, 270 degrees rotating fan, has a USB included cable. It looks like it's USB A to USB-C for charging. Also the power bank function, you could take energy from here, so this is got a huge battery inside there so you can charge your mobile phone several times. Has internally a brushless motor on this motor, so it's going to last forever and it's totally quiet. Has this cool LED light bar we're going to show on the front right there, and a camping hook. So this fan can provide cool air for 8 to 38 hours depending on the speed. So if you're in a hot tent, this is excellent. And it can also charge your phone, and it's also very quiet, less than 28 decibels. It has 4 wind speed options, 3 brightness levels of that ring LED, and it goes 90 to 270 degrees, the actual angle. So let's take a look at a couple of things on here. Let's look at the bottom of this first of all. It has a hook that you could open up like this, and then you could hang this from your tent and have the fan rotating and have the light and keep you all cool. It's really nice. Then it has the actual fan. As you can see, I hit one of the buttons on there and the fan came on. And right here you've got fan control. You have a choice of the different speeds. It makes a lot of wind and it's totally quiet also. Then you have a choice of the LED. And you can see it gets really bright. So this would light up your whole tent, and if you have it on low, it's just enough to kind of get around your tent, and high is really when you really want to have it super bright. You also have a choice of a timer on here, and when the fan is on or the light is on, you have a choice of 2 hour or 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours on there, or no timer at all. This is a little infrared sensor right there that works with the remote control. Now if you look at this, I got the fan left down right here. You have an included remote control. Make sure you remove the plastic piece on there. You have off, then you have fan, and you have different speed options on there as I showed, and you could decrease it down. Then you have the light right on here, and you can decrease it down also. Make sure you're pointing at that sensor with the transmitter there. And then when you have the fan on or the light, you have a timer function on here for those different times. And you hit the rotate button and it begins rotating. Really nice. It makes a nice large amount of air and it's totally quiet. And again, you could put this upside down because they have bushings for both directions, so that you could put this in your tent or hang it anywhere you want to have light as well as a rotating fan. And how cool is that? So because this fan is a pretty large diameter, the actual diameter of the fan looks about 5.5 inches, you're going to get a lot of airflow, and it actually goes at a slower speed, so it's actually nice and quiet operation, as you can hear. Now if you want to use the power bank, you can take the included cable that they've included, and if you look here on the side, there is a port right there. That's charging, and this is power bank function. So let's plug this in, USB-A right there, like that. And now let's see if we could charge my Pixel 6. And you see it started charging immediately. So now you got the power bank function, the fan, and a light. So you're all set to occupy yourself while you're camping, light, cool air, and charging your phone or your netbook or your laptop or your anything you has USB-C connection on there. Really cool. And so you're going to get a lot of capabilities out of this because you're able to get cool air, and light and charge your phone. Now charging is really simple. Let's take the same cable and let's put this USB-A to a USB-A 5 volt 2 amp output, and let's put that on the charging port on here like that. And now let's turn the unit off. You can run it like this if you want to. Now let's turn the whole unit off, and now it's charging the actual unit via that USB-C port on there. And there is an indicator right here on the front that is blinking, and that will stop blinking when it's fully charged. So that's great. So now you have the ability to have it all charged and ready for your next outing, whether it's at a campsite, or if you're just using it at a picnic, a barbecue. This is excellent to have airflow and light. So I like the way this is built. I like the industrial look of it. Also, I forgot to mention that you could change the angle and have it point right up like that. There's also a handle on the top, so it's very easy and balanced to actually hold this while you want to move it around. How cool is that? So what do I think about the AVV brand? This 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, rechargeable rotating fan, with the power bank, as I mentioned, the LED light bar, the camping hook, and the brushless quiet motor in there. I like this product and I'm impressed with the quality of it. Everything seems to work just perfect. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.